Currently, the new Kejetia Market owes the Electricity Company of Ghana over 5 million Ghana cedis, spanning for a period of 1 year, 4 months. Over 7,000 lockable shops are connected to 1 meter.
There should have been a provision to give each shop a meter and not one bulk meter. And we are coming from ECG. And from what they are telling us, they proposed it from the word go. They gave 3 options. All were to enable the company or the shops have individual meters, and they were all rejected, unfortunately.
Who rejected it?
Well, according to the ECG, the employer, that is the institution that engaged them to put up the market.
On Friday morning, these aggrieved traders abandoned their shops to demonstrate at the frontage of the market over power cuts. Inside the market, the multi-dollar facility is plunged in darkness. Amofa, a coastal operator, is one of the worst affected traders. For the past 4 days, he has lost over 5,000 cedis worth of some frozen products.
The fridge, normally we bro 5,000.
I am currently running at a loss. I have lost over 5,000 worth of product. I need my own meter to operate my business. Nana Prempe is the leader of the Petty Traders Association.
MPP are buying Nana don't na pamfo. Omadi asantiment hwammo. Omadi kumase dwadifo hwammo. Esan say
President Akufo-Addo has disappointed the people of the Ashanti region because it's been 2 years since we placed a request for individual meters, but all have yielded no positive result. The manager of the new markets, Kofi Dufour, said a process to get individual meters has started, but 20% of the debt must be settled before power is restored.
That's us to pay a percentage of what has been owed them for all this while. About 20% started.